Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today basically I'm going to tell you about a option which is available in Calc spreadsheet, or you can say Excel. So it's the name of the option is changes, which is available in edit menu, and the process is called recording changes. So basically record changes feature is used to track every edited cell by highlighting with the colored border. On selecting a edited cell, details of the change will appear. This allows the reviewers to observe those changes before accepting it permanently. So record changes function is available in OpenOffice for word processing, or you can say in Excel, LibreOffice also, for basically processing documents and spreadsheet documents. So when several authors are working on the same spreadsheet, the record changes function records and displays the changes made by different authors. On the final edit of the document, it is then possible to look at each individual change and decide whether it should be accepted or rejected. So few changes are also not recorded. For example, changing of a tab, stop from align left to right, align left to align right is not recorded. However, all usual changes made by a proofreader are recorded, such as addition, deletion, text alterations, and usual formatting. So basically, now I'll tell you how can we do this process to start recording changes. Open the document to be edited. As I have this dummy data I have made, the product name and rate per unit. So now in this, I'm just going to show you that how can we start recording changes. So open the document to be edited, and then now click on the edit menu, and here select changes option, or you can say it could be a track changes also, as I'm using LibreOffice, so that option could be your changes or track changes, right? So here changes option, and click on the record option. Okay, now the recording is started. Now we just need to do that. We have to start making changes. For example, I'm just going to change a cell from 10 to 12, and basically I've just made the changes. Also changes in a spreadsheet, basically document are highlighted by a border around the cell. As you can just notice here, a little bit red color on the border of this cell. Now I will make the changes over here. You can just notice those colors of the border. Okay, so content updated is shown by highlighted border around the cell. Now point to the highlighted cell with the mouse pointer. It can be observed that the name of the author, date, time, and a reference to the type of cell is displayed. So Calc automatically adds a comment to any recorded change describing what changes has been done. For example, here the value of cell C2 changed from 10 to 12. Similarly, here the value of cell C5 changed from 25 to 24. And here I have made the changes on this. So here also you can see that cell C7 changed from 5 to 6. So as along with the author name, date, and time of creation of this comment in the comment box, reviewers and authors can also add their comments to explain their changes, right? So this is how just we can add not add basically we can do this process, and it's very beneficial when several authors are working on the spreadsheet, and it's good for the basically main owner of the spreadsheet. So for that person, it becomes easier to accept and reject the changes which were made by other users or authors. Okay, so here basically it shows the name of the, in this comment box you can see the name of the author, then date, time, and the cell values are shown. So we can by own also we can basically add the comments in the spreadsheet like this. We can edit it also. Okay, so this is how we can do this process. I hope everything is clear. If anything is not clear, just comment down below, and I'll try to answer your questions. So this is all about this topic. I hope everything is clear, and do subscribe my channel.